shells in Mario Kart, slid through curves in Forza, and mastered hairpin turns in GTA 5. But nothing, and I mean nothing, could have prepared me for Mr. Beast's Lamborghini race. I signed up thinking, it's just another wild Mr. Beast gaming challenge. I had no idea I'd get so close to victory I could practically smell the leather interior and hear the engine purr. What happened next? A mix of pure adrenaline, screaming laughter, and heartbreak and irony, and I'd do it all again in a heartbeat. The countdown when reality kicks in. When the race countdown hit 3, 2, 1, my hands were already sweating on the controller. I wasn't just racing pixels on a screen, I was racing for a real-life Lamborghini. Yes, that actual beast of a car, the kind you see on posters or YouTube thumbnails, but never in your garage. Mr. Beast's voice echoed in my headset with that signature chaotic energy. Last one standing gets the Lambo! Let's go! Suddenly, it was on. Chaos, carnage, and a lot of laughing. The first few minutes were absolute madness. Players swerved wildly, someone flew off the track in the first 10 seconds, RIP to that dream, and I swear someone tried to drive backwards just to troll us. Mr. Beast, Chandler, and Carl were shouting ridiculous commentary that only made it harder to focus. I laughed so hard at one point I missed a turn and slammed into a virtual cactus. "You're out," Mr. Beast howled at another racer. "Bro!" came the echoing despair. Still, I stayed in it, focused, calm. Okay, maybe not calm. My heart was thumping like a jackhammer. Near-death turns and sudden twists. We reached the final laps and my confidence skyrocketed. I had made it past every weird challenge Mr. Beast threw at us, invisible traps, fake finish lines, exploding ramps. At one point the track literally split into 3 paths, 1 safe, 2 fake, and I guessed right by sheer dumb luck. Another racer got launched into the air like a rag doll. Is this still a race or a survival game? I muttered. The Lamborghini was now within metaphorical reach. I was in the top 3. I could feel every turn like it was engraved into my soul. I drove like my life and future luxury car dreams depended on it. The final turn and my heartbreak. And then it happened. The final turn. It came out of nowhere. I misjudged the angle by a fraction of a second. My car clipped the side just enough to slow me down, just enough for the guy behind me to shoot past and cross the finish line. I didn't crash, I didn't explode, I just lost. By inches. There was this weird silence in my headset, like the kind of pause that lets your soul catch up to your brain, and then Mr. B screamed, "And that's it! He takes the Lamborghini!" I sat back stunned, laughing and crying inside at the same time. So close, so close. The aftermath, perspective and pain, but mostly fun. Do I regret it? Not for a second. Sure, I didn't win the Lamborghini, but I walked away with something else, a story I'll tell for the rest of my life. I competed in a Mr. Beast race, I nearly won a literal Lamborghini, and I had the most fun I've ever had losing anything ever. There was something magical about being part of that chaos, the screaming, the jokes, the shocking twists that only Mr. Beast can cook up. This wasn't just a race, it was a roller coaster disguised as a gaming challenge. Mr. Beast, the Chaos King. People don't give Jimmy, Mr. Beast, enough credit. Behind the camera, he's a mad genius. He turns simple ideas into epic moments. He's not just giving away cars, he's creating memories, friendships, rivalries, and absurdly fun stories that make you laugh weeks later when you're brushing your teeth and randomly remember someone crashing into a digital wall. Final thought. I lost the Lamborghini, but I won so much more. I didn't leave with a Lamborghini, but I left with adrenaline in my blood, a wild video to rewatch on loop, and an experience I'll never shut up about at parties. And who knows? Next time, I might just win the jet. Thank you, Mr. Beast, for making losing feel this legendary.